How you doing on this Sunday evening? Dave here. Me and the Audi R8 are back. Back in black. Ha, get it? No, I'm joking. It's done. This is just gonna be a quick one. It's finished the best I could get it. I'm not gonna go into details with it. It's just, it is what it is, basically. What took so long to actually finish it is I had to wait for the tires and the dashboard piece, the two mirrors. So they came in yesterday. I finished it up last night, and I'm currently on the hunt for the exhaust piece that goes here, the exhaust tips. They fell on the, they must have fallen on the floor and the carpet monster ate them. So it's done. And that's about it for that. We're going to be moving on to the next ones coming in the mail. It should be here, I think, Monday or Tuesday of next week. I bought a set of Nomads, 55 and a 57, and a 56 Bel Air. I think it's a Del Rio or a Bel Air, one of the two. I don't know, but they're coming in the mail. So when they get here, those will be next in line to go, and then I think I'm gonna build probably the 55 Nomad, and then after the 55 Nomad, I think I'm gonna take a break, and because right now I'm burnt out, so it's been a long month and a half, and with the traveling and stuff that I've been doing, so anyways, it's enough about me. That's the Audi R8. If anybody can find this kit, build it. It's a really nice kit. If it was, wasn't a rebuild and somebody already didn't start it, as far as I can tell, it's basically a snap together. There's hardly any glue to this model. So everything, I say 90% of it's pressure fit together. It is what it is. It's done. And that's about all I'm going to say about it. If I can come across another one, I'd probably build it. But anyways, everybody have a good, safe holiday tomorrow, if you have one. If not, and yeah, be good to each other. Stay cool, stay dry, stay safe. We out.